Everyone, how are you? Today we are going to learn about machine learning. We are going to start a machine learning series. So let's start with the introduction of the machine learning. So in the first part we have covered the introduction of the machine learning, and we know why we should learn machine learning. So let's take example. If we suppose I can learn everything automatically from the experience of for our past work, we can learn and we can predict anything. Suppose we are doing any task to the machine. So if machine told yes, I can also learn from the past and the experience and predict something, then the machine learning concept comes. So we can say from another example, if we are taking a YouTube recommendation system for the YouTube viewers, so in this case, we have to set some rules for these recommended videos. So suppose in the 15% music related contents comes in the screen of your desktop when you open an YouTube screen, and the 25% videos recommended for the gaming related content, and the 30% educational related content, and the 30% entertainment related content. If you are browsing a YouTube for the education purpose, means the 30% entertainment related content is not not useful for you. In the gaming related content, 25% is not useful for you. If you are in a YouTube for listening music and for entertainment, then the 30% educational related videos is not useful for you. Means you are not going to browse any video, just click and click out. Means these rules not fit for a proper recommendation for any YouTube videos. So what should we do? There is a need of machine learning. Means if you are browsing a YouTube for the educational purpose, you should browse a recommended videos, educational related videos only on your screen. So why we should use machine learning? Because a machine learning, there are better career opportunities and the high salary getting persons related to the machine learning, and the ML is the future. ML product trending in the market, and the highly demanded profession in the machine learning anyone can get. And the ML is interesting also, because if you suppose a machine predict something for a particular task, it will definitely going to the interesting, and you are going to take an interest for the work related to the machine learning. So and in this series we have implemented these all algorithms and the things related to the machine learning with the help of the Python. So by Python is because Python is the most popular language used for the machine learning, because it is very easy and the simple. Most of the people says it is a pseudocode language, means in a form of algorithm you can write anything in a very simple way. If you are not a technical person, if you are not a large learning skills, and you are not a programmer, then you can also use a Python with the help of the pseudocode, liking simple codes, easy and simple in the efficient and the diverse library. Means there are a huge libraries available in the Python for particular modules, and the vast community, and the portable, and the flexibility and the documentation and such kind of things Python will give for the very good environment for any programmer related to the machine learning works. So in our next video we will see the next algorithms and the basic concept of the machine learning, why we should learn a machine learning. Thank you.